our previous tutorial, we explored the internal structure of the kidney and the nephron. This tutorial introduces you to the first step in the production of urine, namely ultrafiltration. If you like what you see on our channel, please like, share, subscribe and turn on notifications. Ultrafiltration is a passive process by which metabolic wastes are separated from the blood and urine is formed. It is the non-specific filtration of the blood under high pressure which occurs in the Bowman's capsule of the nephron. Blood that is about to be filtered enters the glomerulus, which is a tuft of blood capillaries nestled inside a cup-like sac located at the end of each nephron called a Bowman's capsule. Glomerular capillaries have small pores in their walls just like a very fine mesh sieve. Inside the glomerulus, the blood is under high pressure. Now, why is the blood in the glomerulus under high pressure? This is because the afferent arteriole bringing blood to each glomerulus is quite wide, but the efferent arteriole which takes the blood away is narrow. Due to this difference in the diameters of the afferent and efferent arterioles, it is easy for blood to enter the glomerulus but difficult for it to exit, increasing the pressure inside the glomerulus, squeezing the blood in the glomerulus against the capillary walls. Now, this high pressure causes almost all the liquid parts of the blood, which includes small molecules such as urea, glucose, amino acids, water, small ions such as sodium and potassium, to filter out from the glomerulus and pass into the funnel-shaped cavity of the Bowman's capsule. This fluid entering the renal tubule after filtration is called the glomerular filtrate. Large molecules such as red blood cells, white blood cells and plasma proteins cannot cross the plasma membrane due to their large size. This thicker part of the blood left behind in the glomerulus after ultrafiltration are carried away from the glomerulus through the efferent arteriole. Stay tuned as we explore the next two steps involved in the production of urine, namely reabsorption and tubular secretion, in our next tutorial.